1 cup, 2 spoons, kitchen math fun. One bright morning, Lee and Vincent put on their aprons and chef hats. Today, said Lee, holding a big mixing bowl, we're baking yummy muffins. Vincent jumped with excitement, yay! But how do we know how much to put in? Suddenly sparkles twinkled around the kitchen, and out popped Chef Numberkins, the friendly kitchen math wizard. Welcome to measuring magic, he said. In the kitchen we use math to make our food just right. Lee smiled. Let's learn, Vincent added, and sing. The measuring magic song began. 1 cup, 2 spoons, kitchen math fun. Count it, measure everyone. Big or small, let's see what we do. Cooking with numbers, me and you. Lee scooped flour carefully. 1 full cup, level and flat. Pour it in, just like that. Not too high and not too low. Measure right and watch it grow. Chef Numberkins explain, a cup helps us measure big amounts. 1 cup, 2 spoons, kitchen math fun. Count it, measure everyone. Big or small, let's see what we do. Cooking with numbers, me and you. Vincent picked up the measuring spoons. 1 small spoon of sugar sweet. 2 small spoons, what a treat. Stir it round, don't make a mess. Counting spoons helps us guess. Chef Numberkins said, spoons measure small amounts. 1 cup, 2 spoons, kitchen math fun. Count it, measure everyone. Big or small, let's see what we do. Cooking with numbers, me and you. Lee opened the egg carton. Let's count eggs, 1, 2, 3. Crack them in so carefully. Numbers help us get it right. Kitchen math is fun and bright. Vincent counted along loudly. 1, 2, 3. 1 cup, 2 spoons, kitchen math fun. Count it, measure everyone. Full or half, if still read through. Kitchen math is cool, T-boom. Half and full of Vincent poured the milk. Half a cup goes in the bowl. Half means part, not the whole. Full and half, big and small. Math helps make the best of all. Chef Numberkins waved his wand. Full means whole, half means part. 1 cup, 2 spoons, kitchen math fun. Count and measure everyone. Full or half, stir it through. Kitchen math is cool to do. Story and Vincent mixed the batter and placed the muffins in the oven. Soon a warm, sweet smell filled the kitchen. They look perfect, said Vincent. Lee smiled proudly. That's because we used math. Chef Numberkins sparkled with joy. Remember, little chef's math is everywhere. When you measure, count and compare, you're doing real math every day. The timer dinged. Out came the fluffy muffins. Lee and Vincent cheered. Measuring magic makes cooking fantastic. Learning highlights, counting numbers, understanding cups and spoons. Overs have concepts, pairing big and small amounts. Early math skills through everyday activities, following step-by-step instructions.